What's the meaning of appetite? Appetite. Appetite.
Appetite. Appetite. Appetite typically refers to the desire or craving for food or drink. It can also be used more broadly to describe a strong desire or interest in something. The result of having a strong appetite may be an increased willingness to try new foods or indulge in excess, leading to overeating or addiction. Alternatively, a lack of appetite may result in weight loss or malnutrition. Overall, the concept of appetite can have both positive and negative consequences depending on the context in which it is experienced.